Welcome to the second part of the video about animals in Serbian. So the second part is about farm animals. Let's get started. Hen is called kokoška. Kokoška. As you can see, same as in previous video, we have in Latin script, we have in Cyrillic script. Rooster is petao. Petao. Horse is konj. Konj. Nj. Cow is krava. Krava. Bull is beak. Beak. Pig is svinja. Svinja. Sheep is ovca. Ovca. Ram is ovan. Ovan. Then we have a goat. Goat is koza. Koza. Male goat, billy goat is jarac. Jarac. Then we have for farm animals, we call them just životinje sa farme. Životinje. Životinje. Životinje means animals. Sa farme means from a farm. Also, one important word should be cattle. Stoka. Stoka.